DIENES, the innovation company.
In the first episode of our third DIENES Video Series season, we are happy to introduce to you one of our bestseller knife holders, the DS8. This innovative and pneumatic shear cut knife holder is a true allrounder for the industrial slitting industry. To set the overlap depth, simply activate the push button. The LED will indicate the operator in which direction to turn the depth setting nut. As you can see, the DS8 shear cut knife holder enables tool-free knife replacement with our patented Easy Change feature. This feature doesn't only contribute significantly to work and process safety, but also reduces the setup times compared to a tool-related knife change. The DS8 knife holder with its double-axis guidance stands for maximum process stability even when slitting the thickest foils and paper types.